Welcome to this small presentation to our latest journal article called Multi-Jet Fusion for Polyamide 12 Manufacturing Parameters for Watertightness, Strength and Tolerances. This is a joint venture between Fluidra, which is the industrial partner, IQS University and UBC University. This is all funded by the Generalitat of Catalonia within the Industrial Doctorate Programs 2015. Our aim is to design a high pressure valve to be manufactured by additive manufacturing, assuring tolerances, strength and watertightness. This is an example of valve that we want to design at Fluidra, and for a small series we think that we can achieve all these parameters without the need of creating tools. So what is the machine that we use? We use this Hewlett-Packard Jet Fusion 4200, and we have checked strength of coupons by manufacturing different directions. We have all the stress-strain relations, and we have different properties on different relations, and we also check how is the fracture produced. We check the leakage, as it can be shown in these pictures, and we get the values for leakage for different thicknesses and different printing orientations, finding that we need at least 0.5 millimeters to assure the thickness when we print it in the horizontal direction, and 0.7 millimeters when we print it in the vertical direction. We also do simulations, try to understand how this is produced. It's fun enough that in the area where we have larger stresses, we need less thickness than in theoretical areas where we have lower stresses. That is the vertical direction where we need more thickness to assure the leakage. We also worry about tolerances, and that we've been checking to assure that the parts are all within the tolerance requirements for Fluidra. So I hope you find it interesting, so you can download the paper from this link that you have in here. You can also find it on my website, and I hope you enjoy reading it. Thank you.